Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's Celebration Assembly. And the Celebration Assembly is one of my favourite assemblies of the year. And it's especially important because we've done so much work this year, and it gives me an opportunity to say well done. It gives me a chance to look at all your lovely work and see how hard you've been working and all the lovely things you've done with your teachers this year. I'd like to say thank you to all the teachers who have sent me pictures of all your good work. And it's obvious you've all worked really, really hard and done some lovely things. We have some carnival masks from 8C. Excellent, really lovely masks. Thank you for those. We have pictures from 8S who went horse riding and have done some tasting of different foods. 7H did some lovely topic work on our movers and shakers. And 7C really enjoyed their topic work and are going to share some of their work with you this morning. They've each chosen a piece of work that they're very proud of and they're going to tell you about. And then we're going to watch a lovely slideshow of all your good work and all the things you've been doing this year. And then there's a little surprise at the end for all the teachers from 7C. But I want to say well done. You've worked really hard this year. Enjoy the last 2 weeks that we've got left. There's still lots to get done. And have a lovely, lovely summer holiday and be rested and ready for September. So thank you. Enjoy the slideshow and 7C's presentation. And I will see you all soon. Thank you very much.
I really enjoyed my first year at Pinewood School, and I am more independent of my own work.
I am more confident at working on my own and trying to experience outdoors.
I really enjoyed cooking with Mr. Ryan. I learned how to be safe in the kitchen. I really enjoyed cooking the cookies and jacket potato. I have improved on my phonics work and used them to spell new words.
I have improved my maths since I have enjoyed Pinewood in September.
I have improved at speaking in front of people and speaking louder.
My handwriting has improved since when I joined Pinewood in September.
This year, I like how I've shared a passion to draw with some of my friends.
I have enjoyed my PE lesson with Miss Morrissey and Mr. Picton. I have also improved my reading in front of the class.
I have got better at history and really enjoyed my history lessons. I have improved my spelling since joining Pinewood in September.
I really enjoy drama with Mr. Shelby because we play very fun games.
This year at school I have met a lot of new people who I am now very good friends with, and I have enjoyed lots of different lessons including art, science and Pinewood Outdoors.